Greeting commentator. My name is Angela Khaipu.
Hello, my name is Vanapon Pukangam. Today we will present the project about plastic from Red Tilapia scale. Introduction. Fish scales are naturally derived from the cooking. If we store, they will have a foul smell as a dirty object and be thrown away as a rubbish. When we extract fish scales, we could find the gelatin that used for various purposes. Other substances have been developed to replace gelatin such as hydropromethylcellulose. It is viscosity enhancer or stabilizer. Researchers have an idea to produce a polymer that can be further developed. The extraction of gelatin from fish scale to form a polymer film. Objective 1. To study the optimum gelatin extraction. 2. To study some property and functional group. 3. To study how the gelatin was formed in a polymer film. First, we scale 100 grams of fish scale and add 0.4 molar hydroxide solution, left 30 minutes, and use different solution. Later, we use different temperature and time for extraction. And finally, we evaporate by rotary evaporator and wait and record the result of the experiment. From Table 1, when extracting gelatin from fish scale with different types of acid, the gelatin content from fish scale extract with hydrochloric acid had the highest extract content at 4.65 grams. From Table 2, when gelatin was extracted from fish scale with hydrochloric acid and different extraction temperature, the gelatin content from fish scale extract at 90 degrees Celsius had the highest average content was 6.55 grams. From Table 3, when extracting gelatin from fish scale with hydrochloric acid, extracting temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. The gelatin content from fish scale extract at 45 minutes had the highest average content was 4.24 grams.
And next, in the part 2, we study of the property of gelatin extract from fish scale by the functional investigation using Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy technique. In the method, we wash the extract gelatin powder and using FTIR spectroscopy technique and compare with the standard gelatins by the functional group. In the result, when we process into the gelatin powder from the Red Tilapia scale, and the property is similar with the standard gelatins, particularly with OH stretching, CS stretching, and CN stretching. Next, in the part 3, we study the formations of gelatins from fish scale to polymer film and their characteristics. 1. We study of the ratio of gelatin and crystalline mixture in molding. In the method, we use the extract gelatin powder in concentrations 2% and carboxyl methylcellulose concentrations 3% and add different amount of crystalline 1, 2, and 3 milliliters and stir by magnetic stirrer, pour into petri dish and press into hot air oven and observe the result. From the table 4, when we using gelatin concentrations 2% and carboxyl methylcellulose concentrations 3%, the characteristic of film is hard gummy and sheet gel forming. Next, from the table 5, when we use gelatin concentrations 2% and carboxyl methylcellulose concentrations 3% and crystalline 1 milliliters, the characteristic of film is easy to peel off and hard to be torn. Next, we study of some property of polymer film. In the method, we measure the polymer film size and using universal testing machine. From the table 6, in the experiment 1, the average thickness is 2.89 millimeters and tensile strength 20.51 megapascal and elongation at break is 20.32%. And next is the conclusions. The gelatin can be extracted from Red Tilapia scale by using hydrochloric acid at 90 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, and when we process into the white powder, the characteristic is similar with the commercial gelatins. And when we forming the polymer film, it can be easily to remove from the petri dish. In the future work, we have an idea to develop the plastic is made from the gelatins from Red Tilapia scale and mix some natural extract for the anti-acne polymer films. Thank you.